everyone. A very good evening to all of you. And I must say that the positive feedback I've been getting from the people on my messages and on calls, it's encouraging me to stay positive and constantly do these shows regularly with you guys. And also your support and your love has been keeping me completely, on it every day. So let's all welcome today. Miraki by Tanu. So let's all welcome Tanu here today on madhurisluxury.co. Hi Tanu.
Hello, Madhuri.
Very good evening.
Yeah,
And a warm welcome on madhurisluxury.co, where luxury meets entrepreneur brand Miraki by Tanu. So Tanu, today we would love to know your journey and your story. The audience wants to know how it all started, when did you start, and आपका पूरी journey and story अगर आप बता सको तो please we'd love to know.
Okay, glad to be on the show, every live. And actually, I always had a keen eye towards, towards creativity. And I tried my hand at various things like painting, fashion designing, ceramic work, fabric flower making, embroidery, and many other things. Like, I am a creative person, and so each and every day is a challenge for me, and I always want to create something new each day. So, I have also done in collaboration with a boutique in Mumbai, and I used to make customized products also for my friends and family, and this way it all went on. And my work was always appreciated by my friends, and everybody used to encourage me, motivate me. This way I used to do, and thanks to my husband for his transferable job that I visited many places, and there I had a new social circle, new friends, and this way how my work expanded. But like I say, 2 years back, November 18, I thought to give a name to my work. Like, not this way. I should say that Miraki was conceived in November 18. Miraki was conceived, and it was born as a catharsis to my creative cravings, actually. So like that only, and basically my products are all eco-friendly. So I always wanted to do such type of things like cotton fabric, jute, and terracotta, and very rooted to my own soil. My own works are very rooted to my own soil, and like this. What should I say? And as the word Miraki means to give soul, creativity, and love 100% to something you do, that's exactly what Miraki does, and I do for my brand.
Nice name. I think it goes very well with your product for sure, and it's been an amazing journey, I must say. That creativity has no limit, and I mean, how you have reached as a business entrepreneur with your creativity, and now you're also supplying to Bombay. It's not just limited to the place that where you are, and you travel a lot. I think it starts by friends, and then how the brand becomes such a big brand, and now it's even available online, I believe.
Right.
And I posted some on Facebook. Beautiful products, you have. So if you can tell something about your products, what all do you make, and what exactly is this eco-friendly products? आप क्या उसमें यूज करते हो? मतलब कहाँ से प्योर होता है? And are you doing it alone, or you have a team to do it?
Not exactly. Not a big team, but 2-3 people we are doing this. So mainly means I do it. I do it in total care of it. I take total care of it because
Nice. it's your brand.
Yeah.
It's your baby.
Right. It's my baby, so like this is a
कितने materials use करते हैं इसमें? I think jute, cotton, paper.
Yeah.
This is jute.
jute. This is jute. This is jute bag, jute
Beautiful.
pouches, and mostly I make means all the designs and everything what I do is inspired from the folk art of our country. And as you know, I am from Jabalpur. Right now, I am residing in Jabalpur. So MP is very rich in culture and these traditions. So you will see, you will find it in my work. This is a tribal jewelry. This is a tribal jewelry made out of jute and air dry clay. Like this is paper. These beads are made of paper. This
Yeah,
beads,
and वो जो बाकी उसमें आपने हैंडवर्क किया हुआ है या पेंटिंग की हुई है जो आपने
This
पहले दिखाए?
this one.
Yeah.
Yeah,
this is what.
This is jute. This is also handmade. This
Handmade,
piece is
okay.
handmade. Yeah. This is handmade and I have painted.
Painted.
Yeah.
And embroidery also.
And
Do you even do embroidery? Or it's
embroidery.
only painting?
No, on the jewelry I do painting as well as embroidery, but mostly all are painted.
Okay. So Sunita is saying beautiful bags. Yes, absolutely.
Thank you.
Lovely
Thank
bags.
you. And like these are also painted. Hand painted, handmade. Everything. This case is also handmade.
Yeah, lovely. Very nice. And yeah. And how much, if I may ask you, Tanu,
Yeah.
Tanu, if I may ask you, how much time does it take for you to make one product?
It takes like 6 to 7 days.
Okay.
Because
And
I
it's all
can't do it.
handmade and
Yeah. Because I can't do it at one go. There are different stages, so I have to wait and for another stage to complete. So
and
takes
it's all
time.
it's all handmade and organic.
Yeah, everything is handmade. I don't buy even smallest of things are all handmade. Like these, all these small beads are also handmade. This is out of paper. This is out of paper. Everything is, these small beads are also handmade. And this is actually recycled paper. This one is actually recycled paper. Old magazines, I have used old magazines to make this.
Wow, wonderful. So sure, definitely, it's amazingly creative, I must say, and best out of waste. You're using the paper kit. That's amazing.
Right.
And you also make a terracotta and air dry clay.
Yes. This is air dry clay, which I showed. This one is air dry clay, and that tribal face was also air dry clay. And this is terracotta. This one is terracotta. And again, you will find Warli art in this.
Beautiful.
This is tribal Warli art on pendant and earrings.
And these are so colorful also. Beautiful.
Right.
Yeah.
This will boost your festival mood.
Let's go vocal for local. Preeti is saying absolutely.
Right.
So rich
Thanks,
products in
Preeti.
our country. And I think the USP of the brand is its unique designs and eco-friendly products. That's the USP.
Yes, right.
And so
Each and every design, you will find each and every design. It's very unique, no repetition.
it's more like a designer piece then. If it's just the
Right.
only piece, it
Yes.
becomes like a designer piece. So
Right.
if I buy, I will be the only owner, and it will be only with me, that kind of a piece. Nobody
Right.
else will have it. Oh,
Yes.
that's nice. That's nice. And if you can tell how people can contact you, from where can they buy it?
I have an I have Instagram and Facebook handle, and I have a group on WhatsApp as well, and people contact me there. They directly message me and give me orders there, and I deliver pieces within 6 to 7 days.
So Paridhi Chaudhary is saying eco-friendly products are the need of the hour, eco-friendly fashion, absolutely. And like, where do you manufacture it, or where do you kind of procure the item from your own place, from the
From my own place.
So,
No,
in
from
your
my
own
own
city,
place. Yeah,
buy it from your
from my own place. From my own place.
Or you Okay. And what more are we expecting in future? Like, you've already made jewelry, you've already making Rakhis, I believe. If you can show some of the Rakhis to the audience.
Right. These are terracotta Rakhis. This is terracotta Rakhi. This one is also terracotta.
Wow.
Like these days, people want something unique. And this one is Bhaiya and Bhabhi. This is a pair Rakhi. This is made out of Chanderi silk. This is Chanderi silk.
Very pretty.
These are also.
So people who want to order Rakhis, Rakhi is just round the corner. They can get in touch with Tanu, and also
Yes.
for
All the products are showcased on Instagram and Facebook handle, and they can order from there.
And if you can tell the audience about the cost of these different items, how much on an average do they cost? Like a jewelry set, or coasters, or fridge magnets. You do that as well, I believe.
Right. Actually, like terracotta sets start from 300, and only earrings. If you take only earrings, they start from 50 rupees too, and like sets and all up to 2,000, 2,500. It depends on the work I have done.
Very nice and very, very affordable. You can
Very
give it as
affordable. Yes, very affordable. I want everybody to
return gift.
Yes, you can use it as a return gift also. People want a nice piece, unique piece to gift someone.
Yeah. Right. And what more are you coming
I'm
up?
getting good response because my things are all unique, so I'm getting good response.
Very good. Very nice. I'm sure people will love it. And what more are we expecting from you in near future? Besides all these products, what are your future plans?
Actually, I want my brand to be synonymous to feminine. What did I say? It should reach to every house.
Wow. Beautiful. I'm sure it will. And they can buy it online, as well as you supplying in Bombay, you said, to a boutique. And I think you're also tying up with some eco-friendly organization, right?
Yeah. Yes, I am in collaboration with a Instagram handle. They have a site, Eco City, and soon you will find my products on their website. I have a talk with them, and almost it's on final stage, and soon you will get to see them. My products on their website. It's Eco City.
Okay. Great. Wonderful. So, as you know, Tanu, the program is about Manvi'sLuxury.co. I would like to know the definition of luxury according to you.
What do I say? Luxury, mostly the word luxury, people connect to a very lavish lifestyle or something. But for me, it's a perfect blend of uniqueness, quality, fulfillment, and comfort.
Lovely, beautiful.
And it may be as simple as ultra soft towel or a perfect cup of coffee in bed. But it can be, on the other hand, as exotic as as a close look into the Great Barrier Reef. So,
And are you also?
luxury for me is that.
Yeah, beautiful. Somebody is asking, are you available on Amazon?
No, not now.
Not yet. And there's another question. Anytime are you going to come up with the hair accessories? Are you also planning to come with hair accessories as well?
Hair accessories, actually, I have not yet thought of, but definitely now, when you have asked this, I will think of it. Because I love accepting challenges. So I would definitely try to make some.
Question from the audience. Thanks, Sunita, for giving a wonderful idea. And Taru, if you can tell the definition of, a message to the audience on COVID-19.
What should I say? That stay home, stay safe, and it's a boon in disguise, I would say. That those who were craving for their time and all, they can do something from home now, and they can keep themselves engaged anything with which they have been craving for. And it's not only relaxing, it's actually a therapy to your mind and soul. If you do something of your own, अपने मन की करना चाहते हैं, then it's very relaxing and it's a therapy to your mind and soul. So I would say that people in these adverse situations, they can do something of their own choice and keep themselves happy.
It's been a real pleasure and honor hosting you on Madhvi'sLuxury.co, and I really wish that you go places and your products are all over the country as you just wish for. And it's been great. You getting really very wonderful messages on Facebook. Great, love your products, nice. So I'm sure people will love and enjoy it. It's a great interaction. Love your products. You are an amazingly talented lady. Each and every product is unique. So many good compliments. I always admire your work. Keep doing, Sunita Banerjee. So a lot of people are already fans of your these beautiful products. Wishing you good luck and best of luck to Meraki, Sunita is saying. So real honor and pleasure.
Thank you so much. And I would love to have a face who can wear my jewelry.
Soon. Thank you. Lovely having you on the.
Thank you so much, Madhvi, for having me on my Facebook Live. Okay, thank you.
Pleasure. Bye-bye. Hi friends, for any queries related to real estate, art, hospitality, weddings, fashion designers, jewelry designers, you can get in touch with me and my company. And I'm also proud to say I'm the brand ambassador for Sari Sanskriti by Salma Sultan and Nora USA by international designer Aisha Khanna. So I have a lot of artists on board, real estate clients. So any related query to any of these segments, please feel free and you can get in touch with me. And for watching all these videos, you can go to my YouTube. Thank you so much. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.